Hey there, it's Bryan Caplan, your dedicated trainer for the Grow with Google program, and I've got a quick productivity tip that I wanted to share with you. You ready? Here we go. So let's say that you're working with a team member, your partner, even maybe a family member, and you're trying to craft a message together. And a lot of the time it might have been before you're sending an email, they're kind of tinkering, they send it back, and you're like, oh, add this paragraph, remove this sentence. That's not a good use of time. And we all know that we only have 24 hours in the day, so time is an invaluable commodity. We need as much time as we can get. Here's a tip to show you how you can save time and actually collaborate right in Google Docs to create an email. Let's jump over to Google Docs. The first thing I'm going to do is in Google Docs, I'm going to click on Insert, Building Blocks, and I'm going to click Email Draft. Notice now it says, okay, when you're done writing the email, you can easily convert it into a Gmail draft by clicking on this button, this little M button right here. So I could say that I want to send it to, let's just say my team at bryancaplan.com. I could put in a subject line, big client proposal. And then I could work with my team. I could actually invite people in right here by clicking on share. And we could collaborate on this email. Hi, first name, Lorem Ipsum, yada, yada, yada. And let's say I do my draft, then a team member comes in, they added another paragraph and another paragraph and another paragraph. We work together on this. We can use the communication and collaboration tools in Google Docs to comment in. So I could comment right here and say, hey, is this right? Do we need more details? I could comment that in, and now that lives there so that my team and I can work together on it. And ultimately, we'll put out a finished document that we can preview right here. It's creating a draft in Gmail, and check this out. When I click on that button, it opens up a brand new email draft. It already has the to email, it has the subject line, and it has the content that we put into this email building blocks in Google Docs. So I want you to try that at home, see how you can collaborate, shave off time, save time so that you can grow your bigger, better biz. Until next time, I'm Bryan Caplan. Stay well, stay healthy, stay happy, and here's to your success.